In our today's class, today we will do assignment 1.2 from the first chapter. So let's start that. First question is multiple choice question. So in this question, some options are given. You have to choose the correct option. Minus 25 divided by 0 is how much? The options are minus 25, 0, not defined, 25. So as you have learnt in your previous class that when any number is divided by 0, then that is not defined. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. So this will be the correct option. Next, the group of integers whose product is minus 42. Here, in all options, some integers, some group of integers are given. You have to choose the correct option whose the product of group of integers is minus 42. So let's see the first option. Minus 6, minus 7 and minus 1. Here minus occurs odd 3 times, that is 3 is odd. So here minus occurs odd times. So the sign of the product will be minus, and the product of the absolute value 6 7s are 42, 1s are 42. So the product of these integers is 42. And these two integers are of opposite sign. So the product of this integer will be minus 42, 7 6 are 42. And since these two integers are of opposite sign, so the answer will be minus 42. Next, 6, 7 minus 1. So here minus occurs 1 times. 1 is an odd integer. So the product of this integer will be minus 42. So the product of these three options, এই তিনটে অপশনে যে ইন্টিজার গুলো দেওয়া আছে সেই ইন্টিজার গুলোর প্রোডাক্ট আমরা পাচ্ছি minus 42. So all of these options will be correct. So we need to pick this option. Next question. Find the following products using the pattern given in this book. In your book, one pattern is given for doing the multiplication, but don't need to follow that pattern. You will just do this multiplication by using the rule. Okay, minus 3 multiplied by 2. So in this question I will do one question, but you will do the other question. Okay, so question number 2, 3. Minus 4 multiplied by 4. So minus 4 multiplied by 4. These two integers are of opposite signs. So we need to multiply the absolute values of 4 4s are 16. So what will be the sign? These two integers are of opposite signs. So the minus sign will be here. So I have left here question number 2 1 and 2 2. So you will do this question by yourself. Next question, question number 3. Find the following products using the pattern given in these books, but in question 3 you will also do this multiplication by your rule. Okay, question number 3 3. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. So the absolute value of the product of the absolute value of two integer is 2, and the sign will be, these two integer are of same sign, so the sign will be plus. Okay, so this will be the answer. Next question, question number 4. Multiply. Here some integers are given. You need to multiply these integers. Question number 4 3. 0 multiplied by 27. As you have learned that any integers multiplied by 0 gives 0. if I multiply any integer by 0, আমরা যদি যে কোনো একটা ইন্টিজারকে 0 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করি, we will always get 0. So the answer will be 0. Next question, question number 4. Minus 3, 5, 7, minus 1. So at first we need to multiply the absolute value of the integer. So the absolute values are 3, 5, 7, 1. 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105. And which sign will be here? Here minus occurs 2 times, but 2 is an even integer, so here plus, because you have learned that in your previous class, when minus occurs even number of times, then the sign will be plus, the sign of the product will be plus, and if the minus occurs odd times, then the sign of the product will be minus. Next question, question number 6. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 10, 2, 4. At first you need to multiply the absolute value. 2 5s are 10, 10 10s are 100, 100 8s are 100, 2s are 200, 200 4s are 800. Here minus occurs 3 times, but 3 is an odd number, so the sign of the product will be minus. Next question, question number 4, 8. 999, 110. So if you multiply the absolute value, you will get 9990, and the sign of the product here minus occurs 2 times, so minus occurs even number of times, so the sign will be plus. So this will be the answer. Next question, so in question 4 I have also skipped some questions, so you will do those questions by yourself. Next question, question number 5. Find the product of the following integers. Find the product of the following integers. Here in each question some integers are given. You need to find the product of the integers. Question number 5, 7. 25 into minus 4 into minus 2 into minus 1. First of all, you need to multiply the absolute value of the integers. 25 multiplied by 4 gives 100. 100 multiplied by 2 gives 200. So 200, and the sign of the product will be minus or plus. Here minus occurs 1, 2, 3 times. So but 3 is an odd number, so you need to put here minus sign. As minus occurs odd number of times, so you need to put here minus sign. Next question number 5, 9. Minus 3 to the power 2. So when the power of minus sign will be even, তাহলে minus এর power যদি even number থাকে আমার plus হয়ে যায়, and 3 to the power 2, that means you need to multiply 3 2 times, that is 3 multiplied by 3. এখানে আমরা কেন minus sign দিলাম না? এখানে যেহেতু minus এর পাওয়ারে একটা even number আছে, so here we need to put plus sign, then 5, then minus 2. So now we need to multiply the absolute value. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45, 2s are 90. But here minus occurs 1 times. So 1 is an odd number, so we need to put here minus sign. Okay. Next question number 6. Divide. So you need to divide 1024 by 32. 1024 divided by minus 32. So the sign of the division, sign of the quotient, যে quotient আমরা পাবো সেটা sign হবে here two integers are of opposite sign. So the sign will be negative, but we need to do the division. 32 how many times got into this number 1024. So 32 দিয়ে 10 আমরা দিতে পারবো না because 10 is less than 32, but আমরা যদি 3 digit যদি আমরা নেই 102, তাহলে 32 দিয়ে দেখি কত টাইমস যাচ্ছে। 32 2s are 64, 32 3s are 96, 33 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, but this is greater than 10, তাহলে এটা 3 times যাবে। You have learned in your previous class how can you do the division of number. So you will just do the division and then sign ঠিক করতে হবে, বাট ডিভিশনটা তোমরা আগের ক্লাসে যেমন নাম্বারের ডিভিশন শিখেছো সেম ভাবেই করতে হবে। এখানে 102 দেখতে হবে 32 কত দিয়ে যাচ্ছে। So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 12 is greater than 10. So 32 3 times যাবে। 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 64, then 32 2s are 64. So the answer will be minus 32 because these two integers are of opposite sign. So in question 6 you will do the other questions by yourself, and in question 7 also here some divisions are given. So you have learned in your previous class that how can you do the division of numbers. So you just like that you will do the division, and when two integers are of opposite sign you will put the minus sign. If the product of the quotient will be minus, and if the two integers are of same sign then the sign of the quotient will be plus. ওকে, যদি সেম সাইনের হয় দুটো ইন্টিজার তাহলে যে কোশ্চেনটা আমরা পাবো, যে ডিভাইড করে যে আনসারটা পাবো সেটা আমাদের মাইনাসে প্লাসে হবে যদি সেম সাইন হয়, আর যদি অপোজিট সাইন হয় তাহলে মাইনাসে হবে। ওকে, in question 8 complete the following multiplication table. You need to complete this table. Minus 13, so in this box minus 13 multiplied by minus 13, তাহলে এখানে এইভাবে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন করব আমরা। এটার সঙ্গে এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করে এখানে লিখবো, এটার সঙ্গে এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করে এখানে লিখবো, দেন minus 13 multiplied by minus 3 right here, then minus 13 multiplied by 0, the answer will be written in this box. So minus 13 multiplied by minus 13, so these two integers are same sign, তাহলে এখানে পজিটিভ হবে 169. minus 13 multiplied by minus 7, the answer will be 91. minus 13 multiplied by minus 3, the answer will be 39. minus 13 multiplied by 0 gives 0 here, then minus 13 multiplied by 3, 39. So minus 13 multiplied by 0 gives 0, minus 13 multiplied by 3. These two integers are of opposite sign, so you need to put here minus 39. So just like this you will complete the table. Minus 13 is multiplied by 7 gives minus 91. Minus 13 multiplied by 13 gives minus 169. Then এই কলামটা কমপ্লিট, এই রোটা কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেল। আমরা এবার নেক্সট রোতে আসবো। minus 7 multiplied by 13 right here, minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 right here, minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 right here. So you will just like this way you will complete this table. Now from the above table answer the following. List the pair of integers whose product is 0. So whose product is 0? minus 13 multiplied by 0, minus 13 multiplied by 0, এবার কমা কমা দিয়ে পেয়ারগুলো লিখতে হবে। আর কোথায় আমরা 0 পাচ্ছি? minus 7 multiplied by 0, minus 3 multiplied by 0, and then 0 multiplied by minus 13, 0 কমা দিয়ে minus 7, তাহলে যেখানে যেখানে আমরা 0 পাচ্ছি সেই পেয়ারগুলোকে এখানে কমা কমা দিয়ে লিখতে হবে। Then check from the table whether minus 7 multiplied by 3 equal to 3 multiplied by minus 7. Minus 7 multiplied by 3. So minus 7 multiplied by 3 minus 21. 3 multiplied by minus 7 minus 21. So these two values are same. So this is correct. Next, what do you observe in the row and column corresponding to 0? Row and column corresponding to 0. So the column of 0 all numbers are 0 and the row of 0 all numbers are 0 corresponding to 0. So corresponding to 0 row and column, or in each case all the digits are 0. Okay. So in this assignment I have done some question, but I have left some question for you, so you will do those skipped question by yourself. You will solve those skipped maths by yourself.